You are welcome back to Student Academy, where we'll be looking at our mathematics concept and questions. So yesterday, in our last class, we were looking at indices, where we talked about laws of indices. So in our last class, we look at the first law, which says that a raised power m times a raised power n to be equal to a raised power m plus n. So where we said that assuming you have 2 raised power 5 times 2 raised power 2, that will give you 2 raised power 5 plus 2 equals to what? 2 raised power 7. Also, if you have a raised power m divided by a raised power n, that becomes a raised power m minus n. Assuming you have 2 raised power 5 divided by 2 raised power 3, that will give you 2 raised power 5 minus 3, which will give you 2 raised power 2. Also, we look at a raised power m into n to be equals to a raised power m times n equals a raised power m n. Assuming you have 2 raised power 5 into 2, that will give you 2 raised power 5 times 2, which will give you 2 raised power 10. So this is to tell you that the power are to be multiplied together. So we are going to add to it today. If you have a raised power minus 1, that will give you 1 over a. Assuming you have 2 raised power minus 2, that will give you what? 1 over 2 raised power 2, which means what? 1 over 2 times 2, which equals to what? 1 all over 4. So also, if you have a raised power 0, anything raised power 0 in indices is what? Is 1. For you to know this, if you take the log of this, you are going to get 0. Because the logarithm of 1 will give you 0. So if you have 2 raised power 2 divided by 2 raised power 2, which equals to what? 2 raised power 2 minus 2, which will give you 2 raised power 0, which equals to what? 1. So in indices, anything raised power 0 will always give you 1. Don't forget. So in general, we are going to stop here for now. So let's see a questions and see how we are going to solve it. Drills. Assuming you have a question like this, simplify. You have to simplify. Number 1, 5y times 10 raised to power 10 y power 4. So how are you going to do this? You take the number to multiply the number, and you take the letter to multiply the letter, because the index can only work on the power. So therefore, we're going to be having 5 times 10 multiplied by y times y raised power 4. And don't forget that a invisible 1 here. That will be 5 times 10 will give you what? 50. Then y raised power what? 1 plus 4, which will give you what? 50y raised to power 5. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and then like and comment on our subscription. Thank you.